Good morning, everybody. Hope everybody's morning's going good. Done had my coffee this morning. Had me some sausage, gravy, and biscuit. That was good. Now I think me and my brother I got me a BougeRv solar panel, and I think we're going to try to install it today. Hope everything goes good with that. We're not going to drill any holes as far as putting the solar panel on itself. Because of it being a fiberglass top, I got this 4200. It's what they're using to install boat parts with and stuff. It's real good. This one here is like the medium. They have a removable, they got the medium, and then they got a permanent, but this stuff really holds good, so that's what I'm gonna go with. Let me open up my package and I'll show you what I got. This here's what I got: the BougeRv Arch Pro 16BB 200 watt, and it is for shade tolerant, end tight, flexible solar panel. So we're gonna check it out, see if it actually does work better in the shade than what the other kind does. I hope it's not busted or anything, because I hadn't even opened it since I had it. Since I got it, it's probably been a week. Box looks good though. It's got a little scratch marks on it, but I think it'll be okay. Package good. Let me show you. All right, here she goes. And we got this, got the user manual. Let's see what we got in here. I don't have my glasses on, so, but it's got in here the directions, installation guide, showing how to put the sealer. Looks like there's a gap here, 0.25 inches. Wide every 6.5 inches, the back of the solar panel to ensure stability and leave some space for airflow. Okay, but it does have the directions on how to install it. Plus it's got the series connection. The series connection if you want that, and then it has the parallel connection, which I only have one, so unless I get another one to add to it, we don't even need to go by any of that. Alright guys, I'm up here on top of the van, getting ready to wipe this roof down with some alcohol so that we can get this solar panel up here. Let me start wiping it. Oh, there's a squirrel. Stuff falling off the trees just as quick as a bad thing. was in the shade, but the sun's come out and this roof is getting hot. I had to move to some shade somewhere. Move it in the shop, but the daggone shop's packed full of stuff. My brother, he's got all kinds of stuff in there. Stress cracks up here. That's what happens with fiberglass, so. 30 years. Alcohol dries quick. Good thing about it though, once something off, it dries in no time. Woo, that's hot. Woo, woo, woo.
Coming down.
Yeah, let me get this, because this daggone thing's hot. I'm gonna have to find some shade somewhere. Well, this is the quicker drying anyway, but